Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing Paradigm's Centre speaker for their Monitor SE range. This brand new range features some excellent bookshelf, floor standing and large floor standing speakers. Later they'll release some subs to match, but this is their Centre and this is tonally matched for all of the new SE range to finish off the range brilliantly for the purposes of home theatre. So let's have a quick look. So first thing, the box. The box has a small pictorial of the Centre speaker and some basic information about the product. It's a brown box with blue printing, model information on all sides, and then model and serial number along with a colour on one end. These speakers are available in both black and white. The white is a lacquer finish of some kind and the black is going to have a vinyl veneer. Okay, so the packaging, relatively standard as you would expect, it's taped closed, so just very quickly cut that with a knife. Now opening these is very straightforward. There's not going to be much else other than the speaker in its box. Okay, you can see there. And in this instance I'm going to take the box off the product. There's only one in it. Get rid of that. On this side, on the Grille side is the manual. It's a little bit of information about the whole Monitor SE range, along with 4 rubber feet, so if this Centre is being used on a cabinet or something like that, it'll stop it from slipping around and obviously stop it from rattling or marking something as well. It's a basic owner's manual and a little bit of information about registration and warranty. Putting it up on its end, you'll see some good but basic polystyrene used for packaging. Okay, on both ends, and it's very simple as far as opening at this point. Carefully rolling it around. You'll see a little bit of bubble paper used and basic plastic bag. Okay, so let's turn this around the right way. Here's the speaker for the first time. Now, Paradigm, the range is designed to be not too big. Some of the larger Centre speakers are of course difficult to place in people's rooms. This should actually fit inside a traditional cabinet if required, or a modest stand. It's not very deep, it's not very wide, it's just kind of average, and that's good to see. At the rear you'll see them using dual ports to ensure that the cabinet can be small yet powerful, and the central binding post where you see the binding posts are actually covered with these clips. If you remove them, you can do that with your fingertips. You can then start to use banana plugs or other terminations of speaker cable if required. The binding posts, however, accept speaker cable this way along it, or a spade if required, and obviously a banana through there. Nice quality there, good fit and finish, and it's a tight bolt. Okay. Spinning it around and having a look at the front, you'll see obviously the Grille again and the Paradigm logo. Let's tip that up for a second so that I can take it off. Now the Grille has a little taper on it just to give it a little bit of elegance, and that's nice. It breaks up the lines of the speaker nicely with some curves and tapering. It's a nice little finish. It's worth mentioning as I turn it around, and this is a feature across the whole Paradigm SE range, is that the Grille is made of MDF and CNC routed out for the use of tapering as far as projecting the sound into the room, and also allowing the bolts and other things to be covered nicely. The tweeter is the most obvious, and please, I'll try and hold that at an angle you may be able to see, and certainly take some photographs. There's a very large tapering here of the MDF Grille. That CNC is angled beautifully to ensure that it helps with the disbursement of the tweeter into the room. Okay. Now looking at the front of this for the first time, you'll see, as you would kind of expect with a good quality Centre speaker, a centrally located tweeter with wide disbursement, and the Paradigm's new protective disbursement plate. We see that first used in the Personas, and it's trickling down to all of their range now. It's added to 2 mid-bass drivers. Now, these are relatively small, but it's proportional to the size of the cabinet. Don't be discouraged by their physical size. This speaker really does go very loud, certainly for its relatively small footprint. Okay. So we've got a centrally Paradigm logo, tweeter above, and 2 mid-bass drivers. Again, it's not too deep, it's not too big, but boy, this one sounds excellent. So it's wonderful to see it unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.